Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Honeywell Home app to control thermostats remotely step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS devices, go to the Apple App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Honeywell Home. Tap the search icon to begin. Look for the Honeywell Home app in the search results. Check that the app is developed by Honeywell International Inc. Once you find the app, tap on it to open its details page. Review the app description to ensure it suits your needs. If you're ready to download, tap the Get or Install button. For Android, you may need to tap Accept to allow permissions. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap the Honeywell Home app icon to open it. Create an account if you are a new user, or log in if follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Once you're logged in, you will see your thermostat options. Now you can control your thermostat remotely from anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.